Hello students, I am Deepak sir and today we have to study standard 5th maths. At last period we completed our second chapter. So today we have to start our third chapter. Name is how many squares. That is very easy chapter. Okay. Also in 4th standard also we studied this chapter. Okay. In this chapter what we studied? How to find the area, how to find the perimeter of rectangles, squares. Okay, perimeter means what? Perimeter means addition of all the sides of that shape. Perimeter means what? Perimeter of rectangle means what? Addition of all the sides of that rectangle. Okay, and area means what? Area. When we have to write the answer, what we write? Square centimeter. 8 square centimeters means in that shape how many squares are there of 1 centimeter or 1 unit, that we find, that is called area. Okay, so today we have to start how many squares, this chapter. Okay, open page number 34. I can read, listen carefully. Here first they can show here one dotted dots, many dots they can draw here. Okay, on the page number 34. Okay, see below that they can give us question. I can read, measure the side of the red square, measure the side of a red square on the dotted sheet. Draw here as many rectangles as possible using 12 such squares. In one shape how many squares? In one shape 12 squares. क्या होना चाहिए? आप जब भी वो शेप ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, उसमें रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, स्क्वायर ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, उसमें कितने शेप्स आने चाहिए? 12 स्क्वायर्स आने चाहिए. कितने आने चाहिए? 12 स्क्वायर्स आने चाहिए. उसमें उस डॉटेड फिगर, उस डॉटेड जो दिया है आपको, उसमें कितने रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर बैठते हैं, उतने आपको क्या करने हैं? ड्रॉ करने हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. हाउ मेनी रेक्टेंगल्स वुड यू मेक? How many rectangles would you make? Okay, this I cannot draw on the blackboard, so I will draw in the in this book. See this. Okay, here see in this one, here there is one rectangle. Okay, in this rectangle how many squares are there? Small squares like this, red color squares. How many squares are there? See, I will show you. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this shape how many small squares are there? 12. So like that, see, this is one horizontal. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 small squares are there. Okay, like that I will draw here. See, this is one rectangle, this is also one rectangle. See, these are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 same rectangles. Also this one is one different rectangle, and these two, 1 and 2, these two are different rectangles. Okay, here there is one rectangle, but that do not have 12 squares. I will count and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we cannot take this. Why? Because that do not have 12 squares. Here they can tell us by here as many rectangles as possible using such 12 squares. So here you can use such 12 squares for that shape. Okay, so we do not count this. So in this figure how many shapes we have to draw? How many rectangles we have to draw? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many rectangles we draw? 7 rectangles. So here for first question our answer is 7. How many rectangles would you make? How many rectangles you make? 7 rectangles you have to make. Okay, in your book, otherwise in your notebook you also draw that. Okay, draw dots and you can draw like this. I will show you once again. See this carefully. okay, and draw like this. Then you can find their area and perimeter also. Okay, see next. Each rectangle is made out of 12 equal squares. In each shape or in each rectangle, how many small squares are there? 12 small equal squares are there. So all have the same area. All have the same area. Why? These all squares are equal. These all squares are equal. Okay. So their area is also same. But the length of the boundary will be different. We know in 4th standard we also studied perimeter and area. Okay. When the area will be same, then the perimeter will be different. When the area same, then the perimeter will be different, otherwise same. Okay, here see, we have to draw 7 rectangles. Here we have to draw 7 rectangles. Here 1 2 3 4, these are 4 same rectangles. Okay, why? See, in vertical how many squares are there? 1 2 3 4 squares are there, and horizontally 1 2 3, means vertically 4 and horizontally 3 rectangles are here, squares are here in the first. Also this same, see, these 1 2 3 4, these 4 squares, 4 rectangles are same. So their area also same and their boundary also same, or their perimeter also same. Why? Because these are same rectangles. These are same rectangles. Why? See, vertically 4 squares are there and horizontally 3 squares are there. So they are equal. Okay. When you have to find the perimeter, their perimeter will be 14 centimeter. Okay. You can count and see that is correct or not. Okay. Only for this 4. Only for this 4. This one 1 2 3. These are different. These are different. Why? See here. In this last rectangle, vertically how many squares are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 squares are there, and horizontally there are 2 squares. So their area will be same, but perimeter will be different. Why? See, here side is 6 centimeter. This 6 centimeter means 12 centimeter. 12 and this 2. 12 plus 2 means 14, and this 2 means 16. Means for a perimeter for this rectangle is 16. Okay. Also these two are different. These two are equal and these are different as compared to these two. But these two are same. Why? Because here vertically only 1 square. Vertically here in this rectangle, vertically only 1 square is there. Okay. And horizontally 12 squares are there. Horizontally there are 12 squares. So here also perimeter is different. So you can find for all rectangles you can find area, also perimeter. Okay. For all the shapes, all the rectangles, area will be the same, that is 12 square centimeter, but only perimeter is different. That you can find by how to find this. I will show you once again. See, this is one rectangle. Okay. I will draw this by using by hand. Okay, but you use your scale and draw this. Okay. How to find this perimeter? See, this is, consider this is a 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. How to find the perimeter? See, this is 1 centimeter, 2, 3 and 4. Means this side is 4 centimeter. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4. This side also 4 centimeter. This side, this is 1 and this is 2. That is 2 centimeter. And last one, that is also 2 centimeter. Okay. When we have to find the perimeter, we have to add these all. Means 4 plus 4, 8, and 2 plus 2, 4. And add these two. Means 8 plus 4 means 12. Okay. Means perimeter for this shape or this rectangle is 12 centimeter. And what is the area? This is perimeter. This is perimeter. And how to find the area? Only you can count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Area. Area is equals to 8 square centimeter. See, area is different and perimeter is different. All of you understood how to find the area and perimeter? Okay, like that you can find for that shapes all the area and perimeters. Okay. See, here they can give us two questions. Which of these rectangles has the longest perimeter? You can find and write the answer. Okay. Next question. Which of these rectangle has the smallest perimeter? First you can find all the perimeters and then you can write these answers easily by using that perimeters. Which is the largest and which is the smallest one. Okay. Next page. Page number 35. Page number 35. See this carefully. Here they can give the stamps. Okay. Major stamps. Here they can give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They can give us 6 stamps and they can name by A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. And by using this, here they can use guide lines. They can draw squares, small squares. These are called guide lines. Okay. By using this, we have to find the perimeter, also their area, and we have to write the answer for this. Okay. Here they can ask some questions. I can read, listen carefully. Look at these interesting stamps. First question A. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does a stamp A covers? I can read once again. How many squares, small squares of 1 centimeter side does a stamp A covers? Means what? In stamp A, how many small squares are there? In stamp A, how many small squares are there? That is very easy. So you can count the squares in that stamp A and write. Okay. I can told you that answer, that is 18 squares. How many squares are there? 18 squares are there. Okay. Once again you can check that is correct or not. And stamp B, also you can count for the stamp B. Okay. See, this is the stamp B. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In stamp B, how many squares are there? 8 squares are there. Okay. Question B. Which stamp has the biggest area? Which stamp has the biggest area? See, first you can find all the area. Means you can count the squares in that stamp. Okay. And write here, 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 here. Okay. And then observe that stamp and write which one is the biggest. Okay. When you have to observe that stamp, you also get the answer. Okay. That stamp A is the biggest area. Okay. So your answer is stamp A. Next question. How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamps cover? Means in that stamp A, how many small squares are there? What is the area of that square? What is the area of that stamp? Area. How to find this area? How many squares are there? 18 squares are there. In this stamp, how many squares are there? 18 squares are there. So what is the area? Area is 18 square centimeter. Area is 18 square centimeter. The area of the stamp A is 18 square centimeter. Like that you can write the area by using these units. These units are most important. Okay. In area we have to use square unit. Means you have to use here meter, centimeter, kilometer, square centimeter, square meter. Okay. Like that. And in perimeter what we use? only centimeter, meter, kilometer, like that you can use in perimeter. Okay. See, next question. How much is the area of the biggest stamp? How much is the area of the biggest stamp? That is 18 square centimeter. Okay, that is over. Next one. Which two stamps have the same area? You can find and write the answer. That is very easy. Okay, first you can find the area. You can count the squares and see which are the same and write the answers. Next one. How much is the area of each of these stamp? Dot 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 square. Okay, that two are same, means the area also same. Okay, you can count and write what is the area of that two shapes or two stamps. Next one, question D. The area of the smallest stamp is dot 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 square centimeter. See, in these 6 stamps, which one is the smallest? See, this E one is the smallest one. And how many squares are there in that stamp E? Only 4 squares are there. So what is the area of that stamp E? That is 4 square centimeter. 4 square centimeter. All of you understood? The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is, you can tell me. See, we have to find the difference. Difference between smallest and biggest. Biggest, what is the area of biggest? That is stamp A, that is 18. And what is the smallest one? That is stamp E, that is area is 4. So we have to find here difference. Difference means subtraction. So we have to subtract these two numbers, 18 minus 4. Your answer 18 minus 4 means 14, and that is 14 square centimeter. The difference is 14 square centimeter. All of you understood this? Collect some old stamps, place them on a square grid and find their area and the perimeter. That is activity for you. Okay, after some days you can do this. Next page, page number 36. Guess which has the biggest area. Which has the biggest area? One of your footprint or the page of this book. See, you can compare this. This is your footprint. Sorry, you can use your footprint. Sorry, you can use your footprint and the page of your book and the page. Once again I can read this question. Page number 36. Guess which has the biggest area. Which has the biggest area? Which one? They can give us two. One of your footprint, okay, and or the page of this book. See, this is the page of this book and your footprint. Which one is the biggest? Obviously your page of this book, that is biggest. Okay, so your answer is the page of this book is the biggest area. Second one, which has the smaller area? Two 5 rupees notes together and 100 rupees note. Here they can show here one girl, okay, and in girl's hand there is 100 rupees note and 2 5 rupees note. Okay, which one has the greatest area? Correct. The 100 rupees note have the greatest area. The 100 rupees note have a greatest area. Okay. Next question. See. Look at the 10 rupees note. Is its area is more than 100 rupees square note? Sorry. Once again I can read. Look at the 10 rupees note. Is its area more than 100 square centimeter? Is the area of that 10 rupees note that is 100 square centimeter? No, that is wrong. That is less than. less than 100 square centimeter. 100 square centimeter means greater than this blackboard, greater than this blackboard. Okay, from this side you can count 100 centimeter. I will show you. See, this is a scale. Okay, that scale is 15 centimeter. Okay, means see, this is 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 and 90, and here up to this line. See, from here to here, that is called 100 centimeter. And our 10 rupees note is like that long? No. Okay, that is small. So here answer is no. Our 10 rupees note is less than 100 square centimeter. That is less than 100 square centimeter. Okay. D. Is the area of blue shape more than the area of the yellow shape? Why? See, here they can give us two shapes. One is yellow and the second one is blue. These two are looking different. These two are looking different, but their area will be same. Why? Why? See, here there are also two triangles. There are two triangles. See, this is one triangle and this is two triangle. But see, in this second shape, there are also two triangles. And when we have to cut this, don't cut that book, okay? When we have to cut this and we have to join this here like this. I can show you how to join that. Wait 1 minute. See here, when we have to cut this rectangle and when we have to cut this triangle and when we have to join here, then these two are same in area. These two are same. All of you understood? Means your answer is no. These are have same area. Okay. Next, is the perimeter of yellow shape more than the perimeter of blue shape? Once again I can read. Is the perimeter of yellow is more than, this is more than this blue one? No, that is also wrong. Okay, when we have to count this area, this perimeter is small as compared to this blue one. Why? See this area, this boundary is longer, this boundary is longest as compared to this yellow one. Okay, so your answer is no. Next one, how big is my hand? How big is my hand? Okay, trace your hand on the squared sheet on the next page. How will you decide whose hand is the biggest, your hand or your friend's hand? What is the area of your hand? ... square centimeter. What is the area of your friend's hand? ... square centimeter. See, I will show you one small. Here that is not possible. Like that square they can show on the next page. Okay, what we do, we can trace our fingerprints. See, like that you can draw. Okay, and how to count this? See, here the blackboard is bigger and my footprint is small, so that is not possible here. So how to count this? See, you can count, first you can count complete squares. First you can count complete squares. Okay, for this, see here there is no one complete squares. Okay, I will rub this. Wait 1 minute. I will show you one shape. See, this is the shape. Okay, how to find this area for this shape? First, you can count the complete squares. See, this is not a complete square. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. These 3 are complete square. These 3 are complete square. So you can count this complete square. How many complete squares are there? 3. Half complete squares. Half complete squares. See, this is one half complete square. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, these 3 are half complete square. How many half complete squares are there? There are 3 half complete squares are there. And more than half complete, more than half squares. More than half means आधे से भी ज़्यादा. मोर देन हाफ मीन्स आधे से ज़्यादा. कितने हैं? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So more than half squares. How many? 3. And you can neglect or you don't count less than half means this one. This one, also this one. You cannot count this. Less than half, do not count. Okay, and here you can add these all. 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 9. That is area. That is square centimeter. Means for this shape, what is the area? That is 9 square centimeter. Like that you can find for your footprint. Fingerprint. Okay. And you can find, okay, also find your friend's fingerprint and then you can write there. Okay, all of you understood this? All page number 34, 35 and 36. Okay, you can complete this all the question answers, and remaining part means next pages we can see in this next video. Thank you, students. Okay, we have to continue this video. See page number 37. Okay, on the page number 36 we also studied how to find the area and how to find the perimeter by using these squares, by using these small squares. Okay, see, also on the page number 36 they can give us one small activity for you. That is one activity. I can read, listen. First boy say, my footprint is longer. My footprint is longer. That girl said, but my footprint is wider. So whose foot is bigger? Whose foot is bigger? Here they can use this question. My footprints. Whose footprint is larger? Your or your friends? How will you decide? Discuss. Is the area of both your footprints footprint the same? See, how to compare these footprints? Okay, the boy has footprints. His footprint is longer. Okay, and girl's footprint is wider. You know which is called longer and which is called wide. See, I will draw here one rectangle. Okay. See, this is a rectangle. Okay, this is called length. This is called length. Means this is a longer and this is wide. Wide means breadth. Wide means breadth. Okay, this is wider. This is called width. Means wider. Okay, I will draw here some two rectangles. See, these are two rectangles. Okay. Wait. See, this first rectangle is longer. This is longer. This is long, and this is wider. This is wider. So when we have to observe this, we cannot say which which is the which have a greatest area and which have a smaller area. Okay, we cannot find this. Okay, so how to find this? By using find their areas by using these small squares, 1 centimeter squares. Okay, and then you have to find their areas, then you have to tell which is the greatest and which is the smallest area. Understood? Here also you can do same for that footprint. Also first you can find the area and then you can tell which is the largest and which is the greatest and which is the smallest one. Okay, so today so we have to go for next page number 38. See here, they can give us some animals. I can read. Listen. First one is baby rhino. My skin has many folds. See baby's rhino's picture. On his skin many folds are there for his skin. Okay, so I have a big area. So he said I have a big area. This way the air all over me. This way the air is all over me and that keeps me cool. That keeps me cool. Okay. Second one is that is elephant. That say what is the area of my footprint? Here they can show the footprint. Okay, and what he can say what is the area of my footprint. Next one is ant. Ant said what is the area of my footprint? The ant is very small and also her footprint is very small, very small. So also their area is also small. Okay. See, they can give us questions. I can read. Guess. Only we have to guess. Don't find. Okay. Guess which animal's footprint will have the same area as yours, and discuss. Okay. Once again, I can read. Guess which animal's footprint will have the same area as yours. Means your footprint and animal's footprint. Which are the same. You can write their names. Okay, animal's name. Next question. Here are some footprints of animals in actual size. Guess the area of their footprints. Here see this book on the page number 38. They can give us some footprints 1 and 2. Here they can give us footprint of hen. Okay, and here they can give us footprint of dog. Okay, and you have to guess what is the area of that footprint. Okay, so that hen's area is nearby 3 square centimeter. Here what is the area? Nearby 3 square centimeter. Why? See here 1, 2 and 3 squares are minimum field. मतलब वहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, वहाँ पे जो स्क्वेयर्स है उसमें से आपने देखा तो 3 स्क्वेयर्स में ज़्यादातर उसका पोर्शन है, 3 स्क्वेयर्स में ज़्यादातर पोर्शन है और बाकी जो बचा हुआ पोर्शन है मतलब बाहर का थोड़ा पोर्शन वो हमने जो रह गए जगह है वहाँ पे डाला तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, उसकी जो एरिया है मीन्स द एरिया ऑफ दैट hence footprint is nearby 3 square centimeter. Okay, and also you can find for the dog. Okay, first you can count which complete squares, half squares and more than half squares. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. Okay, and some part is remaining like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are small parts. Okay, so we can consider these small parts as a 2 squares. So what is the area for this dog's footprint? That is nearby 10 square centimeter. That is nearby 10 square centimeters. Okay, that is only guess. That is not correct. All of you understood? That is only a guess. See on the page number 39. Here they can give us tiger's footprint and they can make a large they can make large. Here they can here they can give us, I will read, make a big squares and rectangles like this to find the area faster. See here, when we have to draw their rectangles, means here in this area they can draw one rectangle. See this rectangle. Okay, how to find this area? See, how many complete squares are there? Here, how many complete squares are there? See, in this rectangle there are complete squares. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 are complete squares. 6 are complete squares. Therefore, I will write here 6. Okay. Then more than half. How many are there? More than half. See, this is 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5 and 6. More than half are 6. Okay, and half squares. How many are there? See, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, half squares are 3. And when we have to add this, you will get approximate area for that shape or that footprint. Okay, see, 6 plus 6 12 and 12 plus 3 means 15, means area for that shape, that is 15 square centimeter. That is important, 15 square centimeter. Like that you can find for all. Like that you can find for all the shapes. All of you understood how to find? First you can count complete squares. First you can draw triangles, first you can draw rectangles or squares, okay, as possibles, and in that you can count complete squares. Here, how many complete squares are there? 6. Like that you can count complete squares. Then what we count? More than half squares. Okay, then you can count more than half squares, and then you can count half squares. Okay, and these 3 you can add, then you will get approximate area for that shape. Understand? We can go for page number 40. See, here there is a one point I can read. Listen carefully. How many squares in me? How many squares in me? Okay, here they can give us one shape. I will draw here. Wait, first I can read that. What is the area of this triangle? What is the area of this triangle? See here, like that they can draw. Here there are 2 squares. I will dark that. There are 2 squares, and in that 2 squares they can draw one middle line. They can cross one middle line. Okay, then they can ask the area of triangle, the area of this colored triangle. In that they can color one triangle. They can color one triangle. And what is the area of this one? That is 1 square centimeter. Why that is 1 square centimeter? See, when these are 2 squares, here I can show you 1 and 2, these are 2 squares. Okay, and when you have to draw line like this, then what happens? When you have to draw line like this, then what happens? That 2 squares divide in 2 equal triangles. Which 2 equal triangles? This one I will show you. See, this is one triangle, okay, and this is second triangle. If both the triangles are same, if both the triangles means their area is same. See, this one and this one, these are 2 triangles and their area also same. Okay, see here there are 2 squares, means the area for that 2 is 2 square centimeter. When we have to take 2 squares, means area is 2 square centimeter. Okay, and for this triangle we have to take half part. We have to take half part, means half of 2 means 1 centimeter. Means this area is 1 centimeter, also this area is 1 square centimeter. And when we have to add, we will get 2 square centimeter. That is area of that 2 squares. Understand how to find the area for that colored part? See next one. The triangle is half of rectangle. Here they can give explanation. The triangle is half of rectangle. Okay. See, this is a rectangle. This is one rectangle, and this triangle is half of that rectangle. That triangle is half of that rectangle. The area of that rectangle is 2 square centimeters. So its area means the area of triangle. The area of triangle is 1 square centimeter. The area is 1 square centimeter. Okay. Downward, she see that square girl. She said, "Is this shape half of this big rectangle?" Here they can show. This girl say, "This colored part is half of that rectangle." Is half of that rectangle? Yes. See that. Observe carefully. Then you find that colored part is half of that rectangle. Okay. So what is the area for that colored part? For finding that area for that colored part, first you can count the squares. How many squares are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many squares in that rectangle? 8 squares. Means area for that rectangle is 8 square centimeter. And the colored part is half. Colored part is half. Means what is the area of that colored part? That is 4 square centimeter. Understand? Half of 8 means 4 square centimeter. Okay. Here also they can give the same activity for you or same examples for you. Here. Okay. You can find this area. I will explain. Write the area in square centimeter for the shapes below. Okay. First they can give us one triangle. I will show you here. Vertically how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And horizontally 1, 2, 3. See here in this triangle. How many vertically squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And horizontally 1, 2, 3. 4 and 3. Okay. So remember that. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And like this 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And join these two. Okay. And when you have to find this area for this triangle, what we do? First we have to do one rectangle. How? See how to do this. See, I can complete this. All of you understand? Once again I can show you. See, I will dark that. This is one rectangle, correct? And in that rectangle there is one triangle. There is one triangle. By using these lines I will show you. And when we have to find this area for this triangle, how to do? How to find this? First we have to find the area for this rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? I will count. See carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many squares are there? 12 squares are there. Means area for that rectangle is 12 square centimeter. That is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. And then what is the area of this triangle? That is half. Half of 12 is 6. Means area of triangle is equals to 6 square centimeter. Why? The area of rectangle is 12. So half of that 12 means 6. means area for this triangle is 6 square centimeters. Okay, like that you can solve the all for all shapes. You can find the area. First you can draw square first or rectangle. For that shape you can draw square or rectangle and then you can find. All of you understood? Any problem related to this you can call me. Okay, we can go for page number 41. Here also they can give the same part. See, I will read. See page number 41. Try triangles. Both here they can show one. Here I will draw this. Here also vertically how many squares are there? 1 2 3 4 and like that 1 2 3 4 5. Vertically 4 and horizontally 5. See, 1 2 3 4 and horizontally 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is a square. I will dark that square. Here they can give us one square and in that square they can give us two triangles. First one is blue color triangle and second one is red color triangle. I will draw this in this figure. This is first one. This is first one and second one. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Here they can draw. Like that two triangles they can draw in that rectangle. Okay, both the big triangles in the rectangle have the same area. They are looking different but they have same area. See next, but these look very different. Okay, see what they can give us here. The blue triangles is half of a big rectangle. A blue triangle, which is the blue? This one is blue. See, this one is blue. That is half of, means similar to this one. Okay, see, like this triangle is this. हमने यहाँ पे जो ड्रॉ किया है वैसे ट्रायंगल यहाँ पे दिया है. देखिए वहाँ पे एक ट्रायंगल है, वहाँ पे हाफ पार्ट बीच में से लाइन हमने ड्रॉ की. उससे क्या हुआ? ये जो ट्रायंगल था उसका हाफ एरिया इस रेक्टेंगल का हाफ है. ओके, वैसे ही यहाँ पे होगा. ये जो रेक्टेंगल है उसका हाफ पार्ट क्या होगा? ये ब्लू कलर का ट्रायंगल होगा. करेक्ट. वैसे ही देखिए नेक्स्ट क्या दिया है उन्होंने. सो द एरिया ऑफ द ब्लू ट्रायंगल इज डॉट 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 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. दैट इज वेरी इजी. फर्स्ट वी कैन फाइंड द एरिया फॉर दैट रेक्टेंगल. ओके, सी हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. What is the area for that triangle rectangle? That is 20 square centimeter. So what is the area for this blue triangle? Half of that 20 means 10. Half of that 20 means 10. Means the area for that blue triangle is 10 square centimeter. Understand? Then see next. And what about the red triangle? In it there are two walls of two different rectangles. Now you find the area of these two rectangles. Said is talking about what is the area of the red triangle. Explain. See here, I will rub this blue colored triangle. See this. This is a triangle. Okay. How to find this area? This is not a half. This is not a half. So you can divide this rectangle in two parts. Okay, I will do that two parts. See, here I will draw one line. See, here there are two rectangles. First one, this one, and this one. Okay, see, once again I can draw this. See, this is one rectangle and this one small rectangle is there. There are two small rectangles. Okay, see, what is the area for this rectangle? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Area for this rectangle is 12. Okay, and see this part. I will shade that part. What is the area for this? That is the half of that rectangle. Means the area for that rectangle is 12. Means what is the area for this? That is 6 square centimeter. That is 6 square centimeter. And see this remaining part. What is the area for this rectangle? We have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Area for that rectangle is 8. Rectangle is 8 square centimeter. Then see this part. I can shade that part. What is the area for this rectangle? That is half of that rectangle. That is half part. See this. This one is the half part and this one is the half part. These two are half of parts. Then forms one rectangle. Okay, so area for this rectangle is 8. Then what is the area of triangle? That is 4 square centimeter. 4 square centimeter. And they can ask the area of this triangle. Then what we do? We can add this 6 and this 4. 6 plus 4 means 10 square centimeter. 10 square centimeter. Then see, what is the area of blue triangle? That is also 10. And what is the area of red triangle? That is also 10. Both the triangles have same area. Means what? When you have to draw, see, I will rub this. See, on the next page they can tell us here, yes, you are right and you know what you can draw many more triangles of area 10 square centimeter in this rectangle. Try draw them. I will show you. See, I will select first one triangle. See, this is one triangle. Okay, the boundary is fixed. The boundary is fixed and you can select one side. I can select this bottom side. I can select this bottom side, but only you can change upside point. Means first I will draw triangle like this. मैंने नीचे की साइड वैसे ही रखी है, सिर्फ मैं क्या करूँगा, जो ऊपर का पॉइंट है वो सिर्फ चेंज करूँगा. आप समझ में आ रहा है आपको? देखिए, मैंने नीचे की साइड वही रखी है, सिर्फ ऊपर का पॉइंट चेंज करने वाला हूँ. ए ट्रायंगल हुआ, वैसे मैं ऊपर का पॉइंट चेंज करता हूँ. ए पॉइंट लेता हूँ और ए पॉइंट क्या करता हूँ, ज्वाइन करता हूँ. ओके, वैसे मैंने क्या किया, थर्ड पॉइंट लिया, अभी मैं ए ज्वाइन करता हूँ. फिर से ए पॉइंट लिया, ए ज्वाइन करता हूँ, और बाद में ए पॉइंट लिया, ए ज्वाइन करता हूँ. ये जो मैंने सभी ट्रायंगल्स ड्रॉ किए हैं, ऑल द ट्रायंगल्स हैव सेम एरिया, उसमें उन्होंने वही बताया. समझ में आपको? ये जो मैंने सभी ट्रायंगल्स ड्रॉ किए हैं, उन सभी के एरिया क्या है, सेम है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो सभी एक ही ट्रायंगल, एक ही रेक्टेंगल में है और उनकी एक साइड क्या है, इक्वल है. इसलिए वो सभी के क्या होंगे, एरियाज सेम होंगे. ऑल द ट्रायंगल्स हैव सेम एरिया. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? Here they can use us for you. Complete the shapes. Shruchi, drew two sides of a shape. She asked Ashif to complete the shape with two more sides so that its area is 10 square centimeter. He completed the shape like this. See here. First one, she can draw here one triangle, and then Ashif can draw these two sides. Then that shape is completed. And what is the area for that shape? That is 10 square centimeter. Why that is 10 square centimeter? Why that is 10 square centimeter? So see, observe that shape. Okay, I will show you. See, first we can draw rectangle. See, like that you can draw a rectangle. What is the rectangle is there? Like this. I will show outline. I will show outline. Okay, means vertically how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Vertically how many squares are there? 5. And horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4 squares are. Horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4 squares are there. So I can multiply these two numbers. When you have to multiply these two numbers, you will get the area for that rectangle. When we have to find the area of rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth. Okay, what is the length? That length is 5 and breadth is 4. And when you have to multiply these two numbers, you will get area. 5 4s are 20. That is square centimeter. Means what is the area for that rectangle? I will tell you once again. Area of rectangle. Which rectangle? See this. I will show you outline. That rectangles. Okay. What is the area of rectangle? That is 20 square centimeter. That is 20 square centimeter. Then that colored part, green and yellow. What is the area for that green and yellow part? That is 10 square centimeter. Why? That is half part. See here, there are two triangles. First one green triangle and second one is yellow triangle. Okay, upside that is a half part and downside that is also half part. Means that see what is the area of that rectangle? That is 20 square centimeter, and half of means 10. That 10 is that colored part, means green and yellow part. Okay, means what is the area of that colored part? Green and yellow, that is 10 square centimeter. That is half of that rectangle. All of you understood this? How did you do this? I will explain that. Okay, then we go next. Oh, that's easy. If you look at the green area, it is 4 square centimeter. Okay, and the below it is the yellow, that is 6 square centimeter. So the area of my shape is 10 square centimeter. Understand? See, it is correct. Explain how the green area is 4 square centimeter and the yellow area is 6 square centimeter. इसके पहले मैंने आपको बताया वो कैसे आता है. ओके, पहले तो आपको क्या करना है, उस रेक्टेंगल का एरिया फाइंड करना है. मतलब उसमें आपने दो रेक्टेंगल्स बनाए, तो दोनों के सेपरेटली फाइंड करो. मैंने कैसे बताया, देखिए मैंने अभी पूरा फाइंड किया. वैसे आप क्या कर सकते हो, वो जो ऊपर का ग्रीन है उसके लिए रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करिए, उसका एरिया फाइंड करिए और उसका हाफ कीजिए. वैसे ही येलो के लिए भी कीजिए. येलो के लिए पहले क्या कीजिए, रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ कीजिए. रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करने के बाद उसका एरिया फाइंड करिए और एरिया फाइंड करने के बाद उसका हाफ करिए, तो इसका एरिया मिल जाएगा. और दोनों की क्या करिए, एडिशन, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको जो कलर्ड पार्ट है उसका एरिया मिल जाएगा. ओके. Oh, I thought of doing is differently. If you draw like this, the area still 10 square centimeter. Is Ruchi correct? Yes. See here, we can use two different ways. Okay. First, I will tell you draw one big rectangle and do this. And here they can told us draw two small rectangles and you do this. Okay. Two different ways you can find the area. Okay. How much is the blue area? Explain. Can you think some other ways to complete the shape? Yes. Try some other yourself. Okay, like that you can draw shapes and try this. Okay, draw like this squares. Okay, otherwise grade paper. Use that grade paper, and on that grade paper you can draw shapes and find the area. Okay, practice time. They can use us for you. First one. This is one of the side of the shape. Complete the shape so that its area is 4 square centimeter. Here I will complete that. Like that you can complete. Here they can use us only one line. Okay, I will draw two lines. First one, this one and this one. Why? How we will draw like this? They want area 4 square centimeters. So I can select 8 squares for rectangle. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I will draw here one rectangle. I will draw here one rectangle. That area is 8 square centimeter. And when you have to draw one triangle in that rectangle, that is half of that rectangle. Means that area for that rectangle is 8. Then what is the area of triangle? That is correctly 4 square centimeter. So I will join these lines and you will get the area 4 square centimeter. Understood? Like this you can solve this. Okay. So remaining part we have to see in the next video. Today we have to stop here. Okay. Thank you, students.